This is a 1929 McCormick Deering 2236. I've had it for a few years, I think about 4. A couple of years ago I paraded it and then it rained a lot, like 2 inches, and I think it, and the clutch stuck. So I think the heat from the parading it stuck the disc to the flywheel. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get in there and check it, take it apart. And then last year, the water pump started seeping out the front, so I'm gonna have to fix that. It's seeping right here, so I'm gonna end up taking off the hood, side curtains in the top of the hood, water tank, fuel tank. I could probably access the clutch through this cover here, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything off so I have good access to it. So I'll pull that cover, drop the air filter, pull the belt pulley cover off. That way I've got a wide open area to work on that. And since I've got all that off, I'll just go ahead and probably take off the radiator and then work on the water pump from the front. So that's the plan that's coming up. So I'll see if I can do a little bit better about filming it and maybe make some decent videos. Thanks for watching.